This season, 10 artists, one
Para sa akin,
competition.
lahat naman pwedeng mangyaring maging competitor.
They compete to become the ink expert. The battle begins now.
Good day, artist. Welcome to Ink Expert Season 1. Before anything else, I am Laki Ramos and Mervin Lopez are hosting for this event. And also our judges.
Primo Dilim, Warren Feliciano.
So yun, no? I want to thank you all guys for joining this event. No? I want to congratulate you all because you are the pioneer artist of the Ink Expert Season 1. And also good luck, no? Do your best to win the title of the Black and Gray Tattoo.
So ayun, good day sa inyo lahat. Before tayo mag-start, magbubunutan tayo ng mga designs na hinanda ng ating organizers, no? Tsaka mga art director natin.
We're done picking our designs and now let's all welcome our models. Okay models, let's meet our artist. So yan, bago tayo magsimula, no, bukunot muna kayo ng artist nyo na gagawa ng piece nyo. And then, pwede na tayo mag-start. And now we're done pairing our models and artists, and let's proceed. Tattoo starts now.
I want to thank you all guys for joining Ink Expert Season 1 and also congratulations because you are the pioneer of the first ever reality show tattoo competition in the Philippines called the Ink Expert PH by 61. Good luck guys and enjoy.
On the next episode, the artists will face their first task. The needles go down, the ink goes in. Time is ticking, pressure is rising. Find out on the next episode of The Ink Expert.